Imagine you went back in time just 5 years and invested $1,000 in Bitcoin in July 2020. A simple decision that could have completely transformed your financial future. You didn't need to be an expert or a professional trader, just one simple decision. It wasn't about knowledge or timing, it was about having the courage to act. Today, let's find out how much you would have now and what you can learn for your financial future. Because understanding the past could unlock smarter choices moving forward. In July 2020, the price of Bitcoin was approximately $9,000 per coin. At that point, many people still doubted Bitcoin's long-term value. That means $1,000 would have bought you about 0.111 Bitcoin, a small fraction, but enough to change your future. That may not sound like much, but stay with me to discover the shocking truth. Because small steps often lead to massive outcomes. In 2021, Bitcoin's price exploded and surpassed $60,000. It shocked the world and created thousands of new millionaires. Your investment then would have been worth over $6,600, turning a modest sum into a major gain in just 1 year. Then in 2022, the price crashed to around $17,000. A harsh reminder that volatility is part of the journey. Its value dropped to about $2,000. And today, in July 2025, Bitcoin is approaching $65,000. After every crash, there's potential for a comeback. And Bitcoin proved it again. What you own in Bitcoin is now worth approximately $7,215, more than 7 times your original investment, with no effort at all. That means you made a return of more than 7 times, something most savings accounts could never offer in a lifetime. Many tried to make quick profits and lost, but those who held on patiently, what's known as HODL, were the winners. Patience and conviction often beat speed and panic. No day trading, no stress, just long-term belief in the technology. True wealth comes from consistency, not constant movement. The lesson here is simple but powerful. Timing the market is extremely hard, but staying in the market for the long term often pays more. History shows it's not about getting rich quick, but getting rich eventually. Bitcoin rewards patience. Don't put all your money into one asset, and only invest what you can afford to lose. These principles protect you during crashes and guide you during booms. Let's flip the question. What if you invested $1,000 in Bitcoin today? Could this be your moment to act while others hesitate? No one knows the future, but if history repeats, even partially, you might thank yourself in 2030. The seeds you plant today could grow into financial freedom tomorrow, just like those who invested in 2015 or 2020 and say today, I wish I bought more. Regret often follows inaction more than risk. Would you have made the decision in 2020? Will you make it today? The past is gone, but the next opportunity could be now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep financial stories. Stay curious and build your wealth wisely, because knowledge is your greatest investment.